Hey everybody, welcome to another episode. Today we are working on some Chev rims. These are from back early 90s. Nice. Not really nice now. They need a lot of work. You see the inside is caked on there with years of dirt, oil, brake dust, you name it. It's on there. It's almost like a hazmat hazard just right there. However, if the weather was going to cooperate today, it's kind of windy, rainy, I'd have them all looking like this. A whole lot better. Cleaned up on the inside, cleaned up on the bead. So now, I just got to finish up the rims, finish up the others, make these look the same colors as those, only newer. So stick around. Alright guys, girls, people, here we have. You just saw the quick little video of me spraying these. But it's not the final color. The only spot that are going to stay this color are the insert pieces here and the center. I don't know if you can really see what color it is, but it's more of a gray gunmetal color. And it's being used as the inset color. And then I've got an anodized silver color that I'm going to use for the outside. Then we're going to top it all with the clear. Make these look just like they rolled off the showroom floor. So stay tuned and we'll get that going. Alright, here we are. We'll get ready to spray some silver on these rims. Then we're going to get doing the two-tone. So just kind of hang tight. Take you through this here and then make it look real good. one thing some of you may notice, I wasn't spraying the whole face. That's because these are going to be a two-tone rim. If you remember back to the early 90s, they're two-tone dark gray and the polished front lip. That's what we're doing with these. So stick around. I'm going to start masking these, start wiping them down, and take it from there. Alright everybody, after some painstaking work, we finally have these rims wiped down and ready to go. We're going to throw some heat on them and see what they look like. So here we go. Alright everybody, it is that time. We got those Chev rims all done. Before I show you, I just ask, go click that subscribe button, click like, drop a comment, let me know what you're thinking. The more subscribers, the better the channel. Might even start looking at some giveaways before too long, based on how many subscribers and likes I get. So click that button, gets bigger, better, and see what else I can do. So, if you remember what they looked like originally, the paint was all peeled, corroded. They didn't look very good. Let's see if we can't show you what they look like now. There we are. Back to a two-tone. You can see they got a nice gloss to them. Even did up the inside. Nice two-tone finish. All the inserts are one color. I know it's probably not making them look the best. This fake color, or fake light, I mean. But we'll get one of these outside here and set it down and get some natural light on it. And there we have it. Outside, some natural light. Nice finish. So, like I said, if you like this, want to see more, click that subscribe button. Tell me what you think. And time for me to get working on the next project, which is one of those Kawasaki Tecate, or Tecate as I've heard them. Nice little four-wheeler frame for that. Stick around so you can see what color that's going. So till next time, stay warm, keep it loud.